Here's how to fix your AirPods if they won't reset. Now, if you have your AirPods, AirPods Pro, whatever they may be, and you're trying to factory reset them, but it's just not working, I'm going to walk you through the steps to get that fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is open up the case on your AirPods. You can see it's currently connected to my iPhone. If you do already have it connected to your phone, we'll do a couple of things on your phone. So let's head into the settings here. And then from here, we'll tap on Bluetooth. And you can see Trevor's AirPods Pro. I'm going to tap on the little eye right next to it. Now on here, I first am going to remove these AirPods from this iPhone. So this is helpful to do before factory resetting this. So at the very bottom, I'm going to hit forget this device. Now this will remove these AirPods from this iPhone. And essentially I can turn off Bluetooth to make sure that it doesn't just automatically connect to them. After I've done that, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to tap on General, still on my iPhone. And I'm going to scroll to the very bottom and hit Transfer or Reset iPhone and then Reset. You'll see the second option is Reset Network Settings. So I'm going to tap on that and this will help to reset any of the network settings associated with connecting to headphones, including your AirPods or AirPods Pro. So just reset your network settings. Now, after we go through these two steps on your phone, the next thing we'll do is we'll work on the AirPods themselves. So we're going to tap and hold on the little button at the very back. Now, you need to tap and hold on it for about 15 seconds for it to work. So I'm going to tap and hold here. You'll be able to see that little white button on the very back. It's hard to see, but it has a little kind of gray outline around it. Now, you'll see that it is slowly blinking white. We're going to hold it until you can see it more quickly blink sort of an amber color. So you'll be able to see there, it blinked an amber color. That means these AirPods are fully reset. Now I'm going to close this up, and the next thing that I will do is I will plug this in to make sure they're charged. So plug it in for about 30 minutes to make sure these are fully charged after resetting them. After we've done that, let's go back into your phone here. We're going to go back and turn Bluetooth on. And then we are going to open up our AirPods at that point. You can see here, AirPods Pro, I can tap on it and it will automatically connect and basically create a new account. You can see now it is green on here, indicating that it is now connected, and I can tap on the little eye right here. So basically what I've done is I've removed it from my phone, all of the settings I've reset associated with that specific AirPod, and then I've reset back to factory default the AirPods or AirPods Pro, and then reconnected, and now everything should be working. Of course, if you're looking to sell your AirPods or give them to someone, then of course you just don't do the last process where you reconnect from your AirPods to your iPhone or whatever the other device you have. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.